A solid sphere is in rolling motion. Now what is rolling motion? Rolling motion is when the points which are on the surface, just the touching points on the surface, they have same velocity. So here the point P which is there on the sphere and the point Q which is there on the ground. So point P has a velocity and the positive x direction is v, which is due to the linear motion of the center of mass, and in the left direction it is omega r. So for pure rolling, v minus omega r, which is equal to the velocity of p, this should be equal to the velocity of q, which is 0. So therefore v should be equal to omega r. Okay, the body possesses translational kinetic energy, yes. So Kt is equal to half mv square, and rotational kinetic energy as well, Kr is equal to half I omega square. The ratio, okay, so we can write here half I omega square. Now this is a solid sphere, so for a solid sphere the moment of inertia is 2 by 5 m r square. So therefore half into 2 by 5 m r square into omega square. So omega is v square by r square. Gone. So this is 1 by 5 mv square. Now they want us to find out the ratio of kinetic energy of translation divided by the total kinetic energy. So this is equal to half mv square divided by half mv square plus 1 by 5 mv square. Mv square is gone, so this reduces to half divided by half plus 1 by 5, which is equal to half divided by, this is 7, 10. So this is equal to 5 upon 7. So therefore the answer is going to be B. Thank you.